Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything about this resort, like amenities, food category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 2.8. This is the very poor room category 1. You can see on the screen the details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and details, etc. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is superb. Guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 12 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 1 p.m. Deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book this provided in the description. There is a problem with this property when you can drop a link in the about this hotel. Please share this. If you have visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then just subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video.